see me. I can't see you.
Sorry, my lighting is really bad right now. Oh, that's okay. It doesn't have to be that good. So, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, that is better. Oh, good. Good, good. I'm excited to get
Hello,
going. Hey, Allison, how are you?
I'm good.
Awesome. So, I don't know. I haven't heard from Mike. Do you guys think he'll be here?
I don't know.
Okay, well, we'll just hope he shows up. Did you guys have a chance to look over the reading and everything?
Hmm.
Yeah, I thought it was
I'm
pretty
gonna put.
simple.
Yeah, pretty straightforward.
Hmm. Yeah, it didn't seem so bad. So should we go over the reading it all, or do you guys feel pretty good about it, or go over the thing?
I feel good about it.
Me too. I think we could just start in on the quiz. So,
Yeah.
I think
uh,
so. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I just started.
okay. So,
I think Melissa's video froze.
No,
Oh, she's
I'm here.
back.
I'm writing notes because I just sat down a little bit ago to work on the homework. So
Yeah, I just can't see your lips moving while you talk, so I think maybe it's just a slow connection.
that's what I was thinking. It was showing that your microphone was off too, but I could hear you. So I was like, that's okay though.
who knows? It could be my connection.
Well, it's better than the last time, right? Going through tunnels.
That was crazy.
Okay, so I'm in the quiz here.
Oh, I need to get
PTC
in.
testing. I don't remember that. What's PTC
It was in
test?
the reading.
Okay.
It was.
Okay. I might have to look that up.
I have it
Oh,
open.
PTC. Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay, that was one of those trick things. That's that thing that you taste. Okay.
So, so for number 3, I'm getting 0.743.
Yes, me too.
And then 0.712 for 4.
Yes.
Sorry, my Excel spreadsheet got kind of goofed up. I don't know what I did. So let me try to fix that.
For 5, is it the second option? Or, wait a second.
That's it. Oh, it should be the bottom one, right?
Aren't they the same?
Whoa. P hat.
Oh, one's P hat and one's not.
Yes. So it's
So,
on P hat, right?
let's see if I can find that in my notes. Yeah, it's not P hat. Okay. Whew, close one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, geez, I feel like I'm going to need to write this out.
Okay.
I will be right back, guys.
Okay,
Okay.
sounds good.
It doesn't mean P1 minus P2, does it, on the confidence interval? Doesn't it mean, I don't know. I guess I just got lost in that question.
In which one are you on?
Just number 6, a
Number
95
6.
confidence interval for P1, and is it mean like P1 and P2 or P1 minus P2?
Well, either way, we're doing a difference. Like the whole thing, I remember writing down, the whole point of what we're doing is we're finding a difference. We're trying to estimate the true difference between the sample proportions. So because we put in P1 first, it's going to be P1 minus P2. So I think it's just straight up what we get out of the thing. Should be. So I got B on that one.
Okay. Do I need to use the Excel spreadsheet thing that they talked about in the last lesson?
That's what I did for that one, and because
haven't-
on the next question, on number 7, it asks what decision to make, and so it's just a lot easier to use that because it gives us the p-value.
Okay.
And so I kind of jumped ahead and did that before just finding p-hat, and so I just need to do 3 and 4 really quick.
Okay. I need to go back and find where you download that Excel spreadsheet.
You know, it's the exact same one that we used last time. There's just a different page, the second page for that. So,
Right. I never did it the last time.
oh, okay, yeah.
I did it all without utilizing that.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, I had to let my dog out.
Oh, that's fine.
But I can find that in lesson 17, right?
You know, is a link always sends you to the same place, at the same place where you like download the VM software from the beginning of the whole course, and then it has like the link to download that. So
What did I miss?
so she was looking for the categorical data analysis Excel sheet, and so did you downloaded that, right?
I have not.
Okay, so that makes this so much easier. And it's the same one we used last week if you guys used it. It just has another page. So the first page says 1 proportion and the second page has 2 proportions. And it is like you enter the numbers and it pumps it out. Like easy peasy. So
Oh, where is that?
let me see if I can find it again.
I'm looking. Maybe I must be in lesson 16.
So if you go in to the textbook, I think
Under resources?
yeah, I found it really easy whenever it was. Let me see if I can. That is so funny. It was really easy to find last time. If you go into, I think there's a link from this lesson, like lesson 18 even. Let me scroll down and see where it was. Yeah, okay, in step 5 in lesson 18, so it's 2.2. So it's right after it says step 5 there. So
Oh, that
2.2 says, yep, categorical data analysis XLS file. that's the one, and it makes it really simple when you download that.
And do we use just the categorical data analysis .xls or the SPSS.xls?
Well, it says mine says SPSS.xls, and when you open it up, it should just be an Excel file. And then the tabs at the bottom, one says 1 proportion, one says 2 proportions.
Okay. And did you saved this?
When you click on it, I think it automatically downloads it, but you might have to save it on your computer.
Okay. And it's the second 2 proportions. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it makes it really simple. You just fill in anything that's in purple. You have to fill in everything that's in purple before you can go. But like the requirements, the check requirements, it just pumps out the numbers, so you don't have to do the calculations. You just check and see that they're over 10. And then it gives you p hat 1, p hat 2, z, the p-value. And then you can check the confidence interval right there. It's really just like amazing.
If it would load, that sounds exciting.
Yeah. I think the big thing is if you type it in wrong, of course you end up really hating life for all your answers end up being like off, just because you typed in one thing wrong.
So you say under the 2 proportions tab?
Yep, 2 proportions, 2 sample Z tests for proportions. It'll say at the top of that.
Okay.
And then we can use that for like 11, 12, and 13?
Awesome.
Yeah, we can, let's see, so we used that I used that for 3 and 4.
Oh, wait.
And 5,
I scrolled down farther than I needed to.
7, 8. So we should be able to use
it for most everything.
Yeah. So I'm looking. Do we have to open something for 9? Mortality rates and day steady. I don't think we have to open anything even for 9.
Hypothesis. The p-value is 0.6, so we would fail to reject it, right?
I put fail to reject. I put C for 7.
Which means there is insufficient evidence. Did you pick B for 8?
I did.
Okay.
So I'm thinking X1 for number 9 is going to be 16713, right?
Oh, we have a new one. All right.
And then N1 would be 118519.
Okay.
Right.
Hold on. So for 6, did you guys get the second option?
Yes.
And then we fail to reject the null?
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay.
42447.
And then the second option for 8?
Yes.
Okay.
6155.
Oh, I did those backwards. Ah, I see where that goes. Okay.
So in that question,
Let's see. For 9, were the conditions met? I actually don't remember reading about that.
so it's that greater than 10 thing. But the Excel sheet shows us, so if you look at your 2-sample z-test for proportions, see it says check requirements. So it says first sample and it has 2 numbers after you
Yeah.
pump in your x1, n1, x2, and 2.
No,
And I left it at 0.95 because it looks like the level of significance is 0.05.
yeah.
So, and like mine are well over 10 in those data fields.
Definitely.
So I said true in that one. And then I was kind of trying to figure out number 10, but I think it's that P1 is less than P2. Is that kind of that's kind of what I was thinking.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay.
So the first option.
Yes. And so it should tell us P1, P hat 1 is 0.141.
Mm-hmm. And then 0.145.
Yeah. And then the z-score again, so negative 2.020. This almost feels like cheating to have this,
It makes it so much quicker.
Yeah,
I feel like we're not wasting as much time.
I know. And so we just need to know left or right. So we're saying less than?
So it's to the left, right?
Yeah, that's what I would think. And p-value, we don't have to divide it by 2, I think. Let me just check. If I put equals, the p-value, or not equals, the p-value changes. So it's already into the spreadsheet.
Okay.
0.022.
Because I had P1 was not equal to P2, and it was double, and I just changed it and give 0.022.
Yes.
So it is the 0.022?
Uh-huh. So reject, right?
Reject the null, yep. And it would be A, right? There is sufficient.
That's what I was thinking. There's sufficient evidence.
Oh my gosh, that little chart thing is amazing.
Yeah.
That really is.
I am like so upset I didn't download it because I was in such a hurry to get the homework done to leave that I was like, I'm just going to do what I know.
Yeah. No, it's like, I'm glad actually because I didn't use it in the last week either, except for later I went back and checked with it. But I'm kind of glad that I didn't because I feel like I understand what's going on with the numbers, you know?
Yeah.
And so, but now I'm like, okay, and we can use this for any tests. Like it says straight up, like we can just use it. So
cool.
Yeah, I think like statisticians, like they like that stuff. Like
they're like, okay, we just find the numbers, we let the computer do the hard work.
Yeah, I really think that they're like that. So you did get A for 17?
I did, yeah.
Okay, that's what I was thinking. So
shall we submit?
Yeah. Yep, 100%. That was easy peasy.
That's awesome. That's going to be really helpful too because I start work an hour earlier now.
Oh yeah.
And so I have to get up at 5 o'clock. Well, at 4:30 to be able to get to work on time.
Yeah.
So this is going to really help me be able to get enough sleep.
No kidding. No kidding. Okay, well you get some sleep. I think that everything will be good. I'm sorry that we missed Mike, but that's okay. So
Did you get home an hour sooner, Allison?
No.
Oh.
I'm a seasonal worker right now, and it's our really busy season, and so they just increased my hours.
Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry.
So, I work 7 hours every day, which is nothing compared to your 12-hour shifts.
Yeah.
2 of those, but yeah. They're killers. I have a hard time getting anything else done on those days, so.
Completely understandable, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, no kidding. Well, okay, so I'll post this, and then right now we're just waiting to hear back to see whether the thing is approved, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for both of you for submitting that.
Yeah. No, that's funny. It's funny how that works out. But yeah, we got it good, and I'm hoping for the best. I think it'll be really good.
Awesome.
All right.
Okay, well, so we'll see you Thursday afternoon.
Yeah.
Is that still working, or is it too crazy for you, Melissa, to go to work early? And I mean, Do you think it'll work, or do you think it's too nuts?
Hopefully it'll work.
Okay, because you had your meeting last week, right?
Right.
Yeah.
There shouldn't. I haven't been to work since last week, so there shouldn't be a meeting this week. If there is, I'll make sure I email you as soon as I find out. But
Yeah, and if we have to postpone or something, we can figure it out. But I don't want to be too late if you're waking up at 5 in the morning.
oh yeah.
Oh, I'll make it work. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not that big a deal.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is only twice a week.
Okay, right on. All right, well, I'll post this to the thing, and then if Mike needs to look for help, he can go find it.
All right. Bye,
Okay.
guys.
All right,
Thanks.
bye-bye.
Good night.
Good night.